This one. And wait. Let's put one in each one.
This one.
And I'll put one in each.
I'll put, wait.
Okay, you put it.
What's that one?
Oops.
And I'll put that one in there.
Alright, yeah.
Now stir
Looks like
them.
we got yellow, green, orange, blue, red, purple.
Is that red?
Mm-hmm, that looks like it's red.
Yeah.
It says Hannah.
And I want to see this one. Well, I can do this.
Alright, you need to wipe your hand. Okay, now we have to wait a minute until some of these dry so we can move them into the
Carton.
thing over there. But we can put 3 more in here. Mm-hmm. There you go. Put that one in another one. And put that one in another one. Let's see, maybe I can start moving some.
Finished. Let's finish up. Alright, let's finish up. Put that last Easter egg on there. Good job. Good job.
Let it dry.
Okay, we're done dyeing the eggs. And tomorrow we get to hunt them all.
Tomorrow we'll hide them and hunt them.
The Easter Bunny come to see you.
You need some help?
Yeah.
Here's this. What all's in there?
What's that? A movie?
Let's see. You?
Okay.
Yeah, it's okay. Because if you get too close, I can't see you. All right. I see that bunny.
Saucy shirt.
Well, what's on there? Let me see. Oh, it's pretty.
It's a butterfly.
It does have a butterfly on it. And a rainbow. It's sure pretty.
What else you have in there? Alright, there's some on the porch, there's some in the front yard, there's some in the backyard.
It's red.
You have to look.
Is this one?
Mm-hmm. Well, you have to look.
Here's some over here. And here's a fire. I found one. There's one in flower bed.
Mm-hmm.
And what's this called?
Air conditioner.
This one on the air conditioner. Let's find one. Okay. Daddy, what's this?
It's a downspout.
Is that a bumblebee? Daddy,
Oh well, that's alright.
I broke it.
That's okay.
Let's see one. I did. See one? And on that, and on the right here. There's a butterfly.
Sure is. Don't just throw them in there, otherwise they'll get broken. Put them in there softly.
Let's look for more. Oh, I see one over there.
You want me to hold your basket?
No. Oh, here's one. It's Easter time, Daddy.
Mm-hmm.
Whoops, I don't forget. When said Cheetos, bye. When said Cheetos, so bye-bye.
Oh, they're probably going to church. They're probably going to church.
Church.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, church.
Mm.
Oh. Who's? I see one, Daddy. I see one, Daddy.
You sure do.
Yep, I see one. I found one, Daddy. I found one. Let's go. Here's one. That's four.
Maybe I see one right now.
Where?
Look around.
Oh, yeah. Look.
I see one.
Oh. Find another one.
Let's see. Here, put that one in the basket.
Look. Oh, it's here. That's in here. Maybe this way. I found one. I found one, Daddy.
All right.
I found a blue one.
All right. Wait, I think this way. There's some. Look.
Yeah.
All right. Now. I think there's another one right here.
Where?
Look around.
I don't see one. Maybe?
All right. You just passed one.
Where?